heart of technological innovation are companies that lead Korea's industries. Among them, MCNEX has pioneered new paths in the industry, through to decades of relentless challenges. At the 2025 Industrial Complex Day, MCNEX CEO Min Dong-uk was awarded the Order of Industrial Service Merit for his contributions to the development of Korea's technology industry. This prestigious honor is a valuable result of MCNEX's technology and hard work. MCNEX has strengthened the global value chain by reliably supplying high-performance camera modules and automotive sensing cameras for mobile solutions and mobility applications, elevating the status of Korea's component industry. Smart factory construction, advanced manufacturing processes, and internalizing high-difficulty module assembly technology. As the founding president of the Global Leading Companies Association, MCNEX CEO Min Dong-uk has spent the past 11 years supporting 325 member companies across 53 industrial complexes, playing a pivotal role in advancing ESG management practices throughout Korea's industrial landscape. CEO Min Dong-uk stated, based on industrial complexes, which are the backbone of the national economy, I will take the lead in creating an ecosystem where young people can take on challenges, compete globally, and the industry as a whole can grow. MCNEX will continue its journey towards the future through ongoing R&D investment and innovation.